your girl Jay, back with another video. Today I am featuring the Nars Natural Longwear Foundation, which I picked up from Sephora a couple of days ago. I just got back in. I've been wearing this I've been wearing this foundation for like the past 9 hours. It has literally thugged it out with your girl. Like, it literally thugged it out with me. So I really do love this foundation. It is really popping. I also tried on the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession, which this is basically like a fall type of palette. It has a lot of dark neutral colors in it. I really did love it. I do feel as though it could have been a little bit more pigmented, but that's okay. But the look, it came out flawless and bomb. But basically, this is not a tutorial. This is basically a try on. I just want to try this natural makeup look. And as I was getting ready to go out tonight, I was like, why not make a video of it, of me trying on this foundation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button, also that notification bell, so you can be notified anytime that I upload new videos. And I will see you guys later. Peace.
Alright, what's up, gang? So right now I am just applying the Huda Beauty palette, Topaz Obsession. Like I told you guys earlier, this is not a tutorial. This is basically a try on featuring the Nars Natural Longwear Foundation. So I'm actually going to speed up this video pretty fast doing the parts that are not about the foundation. And I will also speak randomly about the Huda Beauty because this is also a new product that I'm trying out. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Oh.
Y'all know I am not a makeup artist. I don't claim to be sis. I just wear makeup. Okay? This is such like a light color, but I thought it would be a good color to like transition with. You know? And I'm using this color here. The moment we all been waiting for, the Nars Natural Foundation. Wait. The Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is what we got, what we've been waiting for, guys, and I cannot wait to try it. I can't wait to look alive. So let's see. I really hope this is really a good foundation. This is in the color, what did I get this in the color? This is Tahoe. Yeah, so it's Tahoe medium / dark 2. And it is, they say it's buildable coverage, so let's see. Bruh. That is shook up. I mean, it looks like skin. She's still cute. She's still lit. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Alright, so I'm just gonna go on my Tarte. And I just picked this up today from Target. It's from these people here, the Sonya Shakuka. I bought that. I thought it was really cute, pretty color. It ain't all that as far as a sponge. It was $10 for two. Two came in the packet. All right, guys. So I am back. Just finished doing a little something to my hair. But I was trying to kind of go for a messy look. Y'all know I can't do nothing with baby hairs. But that's okay. That's okay. Because I'm going to be in a dark setting. Nobody's going to see that. Nobody's going to see that. Alright, guys. So I am back. I just finished getting dressed and all that good stuff. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some lippies. And I'm going to first outline my lip with NYX. I'm going to outline my lip with the NYX in the color Espresso lip liner. And then I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs in the color Yours Truly, yours to try, 450. Alright guys, so that is it. This is my completed look. I think it's still cute. I think it's not cute. I think it's real life. Just, like, I love this foundation. Like, this is like really my review on this foundation. So far, I am really feeling this. This is like super cute. Like, I just feel like it just goes so well with my skin tone. It does look natural and all that good stuff. So I'm really feeling this. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look today. I know it's like, what the hell day, but I still feel cute. Alright, so I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.